So in this question, find the equation of a straight line. Find the equation of a straight line. We have to find the equation of a straight line which passing through the point of intersection of another two lines. So this straight line, we have to find the straight equation of this straight line L, which passing through the point of intersection of another two lines. So those equation of those two lines are 7x plus 3y is equal to 10. Then the another line is, equation of another line is 5x minus 4y is equal to 1, and which is parallel to, these two lines are parallel, so the which is parallel to the another line 13x plus 5y plus 12 is equal to 0. So we have to find the equation of this line L. So now we have to solve that two equations. So 7x plus 3y is equal to 10, 5x minus 4y is equal to 1. This is equation 2. So equation 1 can be multiplied by 4. So 4 7s are 28x, 4 3s are 12y, 4 10s are 40. Then equation 2 can be multiplied by 3. 3 5s are 15x minus 3 4s are 12y is equal to 3. So now plus 12y minus 12y will be cancelled. So here we can, symbols are same, so we can add. So 30 43x is equal to 43, addition. So x is equal to 43 by 43, x is equal to 1. So next step, what we are going to do, we have to substitute this, substitute x is equal to 1 in equation 1. So 7 into 1 plus 3y is equal to 10. So 3y is equal to 10, 1 7 is 7, so minus 7. 3y is equal to 3, y is equal to 1, because 3 by 3 1. So the point of intersection x comma y is, this is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1. So this point we have found, and now these two lines are parallel, so slope of this line will be equal to the slope of this line. So slopes are equal because they are parallel. So slope m is equal to minus a by b. So minus a, minus 13 by 5. Here a is equal to 13, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 12. So minus 13 by 15. So the slope of the line, this is 1 comma 1, slope point of intersection, and the slope is minus 13 by 5. So we have to find the equation of this line L. We know one point, one slope. ஒரு பாயிண்ட் ஒரு ஸ்லோப் தெரிஞ்சா என்ன ஈக்குவேஷன், என்ன ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணணும் டு ஃபைண்ட் த ஈக்குவேஷன். ஸோ ஈக்குவேஷன் ஆஃப் எ line L is equal to, or we can write the required equation y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. ஒரு பாயிண்ட் ஒரு ஸ்லோப் இருந்தால் y minus y1 1 m minus 13 by 5 x minus 1. ஸோ 5 எங்கிட்ட கொண்டு வந்து கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்கள், 13 உள்ள மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்கள், எக்ஸு ஒய் எல்லாத்தையும் ஒரு பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்து அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி we have to simplify. Then we have to write the equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then we will get the answer. That is the equation of the line. Very simple. So this is exercise 5.4 10th question. So this is also very simple question. The question is, find the equation of a straight line passing through the point of intersection of these two lines. This is the straight line. We have to find the equation of this straight line, and this line is passing through this point. That particular point is point of intersection of these two lines. The equation is given 5x minus 6y is equal to 2. And the another equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 10, and which is perpendicular to another line. So in the last video we have seen parallel. This is perpendicular to another line. 4x minus 7y plus 13 is equal to 0. So very simple. So as like last video, you have to solve these two equations. So 5x minus 6y is equal to 2, that is equation 1. 3x plus 2y is equal to 10, that is equation 2. You can solve these two equations. How to solve? So we can write the first equation as it is. We can multiply the second equation by 3. 3 3s are 9x, 3 2s are 6y, 3 10s are 30. So plus 6y minus 6y will be cancelled. 14x is equal to 32. X is equal to 32 by 14. X is equal to, we can divide by two tables, 16 by 7. So substitute 16 by 7 in either equation 1 or 2, then you can find the value of y. So x comma y, the point of intersection, 16 by 7 comma the y value will come. We have to write. So one point is we can find. Then using this equation, we can find the slope of this equation. Slope m is equal to minus a by b. So m is equal to minus 4 by minus 7. So this is 4 by 7. So this is the slope of this line. Slope of L is equal to, therefore slope of L is minus 7 by 4. So we can take it as m1, this is m2, this is m2. Because these two lines are perpendicular, product of their slope is minus 1. So the reciprocal and opposite side. So the reciprocal of 4 by 7 is 7 by 4. Here it is plus, so it is minus. Minus 7 by 2. So now we can use the same formula as like 9th sum. We can use the same formula and we can find the equation of the line L. This is exercise 5.4, 11th question. The question is, find the equation of a straight line. Find the equation of a straight line which is passing through the point of intersection of the equation of those two lines is 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Then the equation of another line is x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So then another point is also the point of intersection of two lines. Those two equations are 7x minus 3y is equal to minus 12. 2y is equal to x plus 3. So what we have to do here, we have to find the intersection of these 2 points, two intersecting points of these lines. So to find this point x1 comma y1, we have to solve these two equation. To find the second point x2 comma y2, we have to solve these two equations. So 4 equations. This is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3 and 4. So now solve 1 and 4. So very simple. x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. If you want to cancel y, we have to multiply the second equation by 2. 2y will be cancelled. If you want to cancel x, we have to multiply the first equation by 3. So you can use any one method, and you have to solve, and you have to solve, and you have to find x, then we have to find the value of y by substituting the value of x in the any one of the given equation. So you can, then you will get x1 comma y1. Similarly, this is using 1 and 2. Then using equation 2, 3 and 4, you have to solve this equation. You will find x2 comma y2, this point. Then the required equation, or the equation of the line L, here we don't have slope, only 2 points. If 2 points means y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So substitute the value of x1 and y1, x2 and y2 in this formula. Then finally you have to write then do the cross multiplication and simplify. Finally you have to convert this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to x, y, then number is equal to 0. In that form we have to write. This is the way